Binti Muhammad Zaki.
My name is Masyitah Umairah Binti Rofli.
My name is Fara, Rosnaniar, Zifa, Binti, Ferdinan, Zifa. And my name is Aufa, Irdina, Binti Muhammad Zaki.
So this is our group for MAT112 assessment. Let's do together. Aufa, can you explain to me what is compound interest?
Yes, sure. Let me explain to you. Let's go. So, what is compound interest? Compound interest is computation is based on the principal which change from time to time. Compound interest is also interest that is earned, is compounded or converted into principal and earns interest thereafter.
Now, look at our example question. Ali invested Rm50,000 into a saving account that paid an interest of 2.50% compounded annually for 2 years. Find the maturity value. So how to find the maturity value? To find maturity value, we need to use S equal to P 1 plus I N. And how to find N? N equal to M times T. So here, M is 1 and T is 1 times 2 is 2. So how to find S, the maturity value? So how to find it? S equal to 50,000, 1 plus 0.025 divided 1, 2. So the maturity value and the S would be Rm 52,531 and 25 cents. In question 2, we need to find the amount of interest. How to find the amount of interest? We need to use I equal to S minus P formula. So, based on the question, S refer to Rm 52,531 and 25 cents. P is Rm 50,000. So, Rm 52,531 and 25 cents minus 50,000. So the I will be Rm 2,531 and 25 cents. Moving on to the last question. If Ali withdraw Rm 5,000 from the investment after 2 years, calculate the accumulated amount after 5 years with an interest of 2.60% compounded annually. So how to find the accumulated amount? To find the accumulated amount, we need to use P equal to S minus the amount that Ali withdrew. Refer to the question, P equal to Rm 52,531 and 25 cents minus 5,000. So the answer would be Rm 47,531 and 25 cents. So how to find the next S, the accumulated amount? S equal to P 1 plus I N, the same formula. S equal to Rm 47,531 and 25 cents. 1 plus 0.026 divided 1, 5. So the answer will be Rm 54,040 and 09 cents.
So, moving on to the special case question. Right here, the question given is Abu invested 35,000 in saving account for 5 years for the first 2 years and the interest rate is at 2.55% compounded annually. Meanwhile, the interest rate for the rest of the period is 2.60 compounded semi-annually. Find the accumulated amount at the end of the year. Need to remember, if the question gives 2 different interest rates applied over 2 different periods, we can use this formula to clarify an accuracy. After that, before substituting the values, we need to find the I1, N1 and I2, N2 amount. After that, we enter information given from the question. So the formula given here is S equal to P1 plus I1, N1, 1 plus I2, N2. How to calculate this question is S is remain, P P equal to RM 35,000. 1 plus I1 equal to 0.0255 per 1. N1 equal to 2. 1 plus N2 equal to 0.0260 per 2. N2 equal to 6. So after you calculate all the values in the calculator, you will get the answer is S equal to RM 39,773 ringgit and 70 cents.
Anya, do you understand what is the annuity?
Yes, I do.
Can you explain to us?
Sure, why not? Let me explain to you guys what is annuity. So, what is annuity? Annuity is a series of equal payment made at equal intervals of times. Example of annuity are shop rentals, insurance, annual dividend receipt, or installment payment. So, let's take a look on example question 1. Rose borrow RMS from PTPTN to continue her studies. The loan is charged with annual interest rate of 1% compounded annually. The repayment term is 10 years. The monthly payment that she should pay is RM 109.84 cents. Find an amount of RMS. So, how to find A? To find A, we use formula A equals to R multiplied with 1 minus 1 plus I, the power of negative n, divide with I. 109.84 cents multiplied with 1 minus 1 plus 0.01 divide with 1, the power of negative 10 divide with 0.01 divide 1. So the answer of A is 1,040.33 cents. Next questions. Find the total interest charge. To find an interest, we use formula I equals to R multiplied with N minus A. 109.84 cents multiplied with 10 minus 1,040.33 cents. So the answer of interest is RM 58.07.
Let's take a look at the question of special case. The loan that Rose borrow is RM 1040.33. The loan is charged with an annual interest 1% compound annually to pay the loan. She paid RM 109.84 monthly for 10 years to settle the loan. Look at the example question of the advance payment. If she wished to settle the balance of the loan immediately after paying the last payment on the 8th year, what is the outstanding balance need to be paid? So, to find the outstanding balance that should she pay is to use AN equal to R multiply with 1 minus 1 plus I and the power of negative n divide I. So, A equal to 109.84 multiply with 1 minus 1 plus 0.01 equal to 1 and the power of negative 8 divide 0.01 divide 1. So the answer is RM 840 ringgit.46 cents. The example question of mispayment. If Rose failed to pay the first 3 monthly payments, how much should she pay on the 4th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? So how to find it? You can use SN equal to R multiply with 1 plus I and the power of n minus 1 divide I. So S4 equal to 109.84 multiply with 1 plus 0.01 divide 1 and the power of 4 minus 1 divide 0.01 divide 1. So the answer is RM 145 ringgit.99 cents.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.
Bye.